You see, sometimes some things happen to we as man, and because we crave them. The power of pum pum. Remember one time when me I do security work, me reach home from work, good. A lady woman cook food, give me a nice massage, we have sex, we lay down on the bed and watch TV. My little dirty thinking brethren link me now out and nowhere. That's why sometimes I say God, not God, Satan sending blood clot disciples then to torment people, you know. Cause me did a good. The man take me say I have two girl come on the block. So me say, eh? Man say, one of them a fear, you know, man. Forward, no. So me start lay down, me start go through the book in my brain and say, well, me tell me woman, say me I go. Cause me just come from work. So me tell her, say, yo, babes, you know, so me I go back to work, do one go double door. She said to me, say, really? So me text my brother, say, call me like me, I'm a boss. Boss call me. And me I say, yo, what you say now? Bridget said to me, say, yo, more you do on duty for me, you know. More you do on duty. So I said, bro, me just come in from work. Why you never tell me before me come in from work? You must say, I do your duty for me to or not. So I say, alright. Woman said to me, say, babe, go on. Because we want the money. We want the little money. Go do it, man. I know you're tired and thing, but go do it. When me say that, me say, start say, yes. So me link him and say, yo, come pick me up. So the brethren come pick me up. Now we tap on a supermarket, we buy a pack of condom, and we buy 2 magnum. We lick off one of the magnum them quick. I start bubble. When me drink that me I then start bubble. And me I say, yes. I go bust up sitting in the night here. When me reach my house now, me did that go easy back and me start suck out to a next magnum now. So you know say, my foot them start get weak. And me I then start bubble again and me I start say, yes, this is the feeling now. Me start feeling the adrenaline start rush going on my seed now and my wood now. Me I start say, yeah, me ready for action now, you know. When me reach in the room, me see 2 girls them lay down on the bed. One slim one thick one. As soon as me enter the room, the slim one get up. So me brethren and the thick one there in the room. But she dey on her phone like she has sent one text. So she lay down on her belly and her body cock up in her ear. So me start say, yes, me start take off shirt, you know. Me no business about my brethren, because me start take off shirt, you know. Take off pants, take off underpants, and me start rub hood. Me start rub hood. Hood teeth like a buckle. And me start rub hood, condom in the mouth side. And me I say, yes. So, if my brethren said twice, say, yo, the G there, you know. Mama turn round. Mama say, God, where you there? Rick? Me say, Sheila. My brethren say, what go on here so now? My brethren say, bro, you know her? Me say, My brethren say to she now, say, you know him? She say, yes, I know him. I started, God Almighty, what this? My foot then start get weak. My mouth start get dry. My heart start beat. Me say when me did it to Ross, me nervous, me traumatized. My brother say, no man, this awkward no man. Where you know a G from? Mama say, I'm my cousin. Me say, I'm wood dead in my hand. My brother said to me, say, dog, a real talk, she make me say, yeah, brother, I'm my first cousin. Cause every time I talk about him, I feel sick. I feel sick in my blood clot belly every time I talk about it. I feel sick. When I say I traumatized. I traumatized the whole night. Me can't find out to the day, me can't looking at my cousin here again. Me can't looking at my cousin here. Every time I see her, she can't face me and me can't face her. Me say me almost fuck my cousin. My first cousin.